No, he fell down. He's right there.
Oh, he got to be a butt. You get on top. And you come here.
So the cicadas on the RC.
Shut up. They still in there. They flipped over.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to No Pros RC, and today we have another rock crawler, a basic entry-level rock crawler here by Masato. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Masato or Maisto Tech, however you want to pronounce it. And I just unboxed this, as you can see, and I'm comparing that to the New Bright RC 4-wheel drive, which we had some fun with the other day, and you can check out that video right here. So we just want to do a little comparison right now, just before we actually take them on a run. Stay tuned for that video. So if we can compare tires, you can see the New Bright has a kind of more compact tread versus this one. Here is, kind of spread out and a little more rugged looking. Looks like it can get over terrain a little bit more better than this guy. So we will compare those two. They're both 4-wheel drive. This one, obviously, the New Bright is a Ford Bronco, and this one is, I have no idea what this one is, but I do like the color. I am a huge fan of green and black, and that's why I decided to open that one versus the yellow and black one. I do have two other ones somewhere around here in some boxes. I'm not sure where they are, but I will have to find those. You do get the controller with it right here, which is 9-volt. Yes, a 9-volt battery. It is 27 megahertz, and you will need 6, count them, 6 AA batteries to go on the side of this guy. Yeah, 6. So moving this guy up the way and bringing this guy to the forefront. Here you got the rim with the green lip right here going inside. Has a nice deep lip appearance to it. I just love the color scheme of it. It is really, really nice. In the detail. So comparing the springs, she's bouncy. Not sure if she will sustain, high jumps or whatever, but again, it's made for rock crawling. So as you can see, she can't go over some difficult terrain, as well as this one. I have to find some place to actually take them, to actually test their, ability to crawl over terrain. Now, comparing the controller for the New Bright, as you can see on the New Bright video, it's just one speed. There's no controlling the throttle. It is just go left, right, and reverse, one speed. Here with the trigger, It looks like you can kind of, you know, feather the throttle a little bit, which gives you more control over how much power you want to put to the wheels and be able to control how you get over the terrain better. So that may come in handy a little bit better. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of the steering wheel for left and right, but you know, again, we will test that. And as you can see here, you can have more than one. That's why you have the different channels, A, B, and C. Because like I said, I have 4 of these. Just don't remember where the other 2 are at the moment. And I bought 4 to get the family involved, but of course they, you know, that's another story. But yeah, I can't wait. I got the AA batteries for this guy. I have to get the 9-volt battery. I wasn't expecting this to be 9-volt, but again, stay tuned for that video, and I can't wait to get these guys and see what they can do. So definitely stay tuned for that. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can know when we post new videos, and click that bell. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you like. So until the next video, y'all be easy.